Hey Swarnali Bhattacharya, I am Veo, your personal AI mentor. What can I assist you with today?
Can you help me initialize a Git repository for my project?
I see you're in Visual Studio Code and editing Python code. So you want to initialize a good repository for your project, correct? To do
Yes.
this efficiently, okay. The fastest way to initialize a good repository is to first make sure you have Git installed. Then, 1. Open the terminal in VS Code. 2. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command.
I did.
3. Okay, great. Now, 1. Run git init to create a new Git repository. 2. Create a .gitignore file to specify intentionally untracked files that Git should ignore. There are some good templates online. Do you want
Oh,
me to find you one?
no, just
Are you
repeat
still
the
there?
command.
Okay. So the next step is to create a gitignore file to specify intentionally untracked files that Git should ignore. Then you can
Okay.
add your files, commit, and create a remote repository on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Try that
Okay.
batch. And
But I don't have any
are
other.
you all set or do you need more help?
I'm
Are you still
asking.
there?
Yes, I'm still there. Asking that I don't need any git ignore project because I don't only have one file. So what would be the next command to it?
I see. Since you only have one file, you can skip creating a gitignore file for now. The next command would be gititsiwa to stage your file for commit. After that, you'll commit your
Mm,
changes with
Can
git
you
commit.
can you go through it again?
I can definitely go through it again. After initializing the Git repository with Git in it, and since you're skipping the gitignore file, you'll use git add to stage your file. Then, commit your changes with git commit, and
Okay.
your initial commit. Try those steps and let me know how it goes.
First commit. Then what's the next step after git commit?
The next step after git commit is to create a remote repository on a service like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Once you've
Okay.
created the remote repository, you'll. Are you using GitHub, Lab,
Yeah,
or Bitbucket?
I am
Can you
using
clarify
GitHub.
whether you are using GitHub? Okay, great. After creating the repository on GitHub, you'll need to connect your local repository to the remote one. The command for that is git remote add origin repository URL.
Okay.
Replace repository. We've got
Like,
about 5 minutes left, so let's focus on getting this connected.
uh,
After adding the remote origin, you'll push your local commits to GitHub with git push u origin main. This
okay.
establishes the connection and uploads your code. Try that and
Okay.
let me know if you. Um,
First.
are you still there?
Yes, I'm still there. Let me sign in first.
Okay, I will wait.
Next, I have to create a new Git repository, right?
Yes, that is correct. Create a
Okay.
new Git repository on GitHub. After you create the repository, GitHub will provide you with the repository URL, which you'll need for the next step.
Okay. I just created the repository. Next, I
Perfect.
have to uh, git branch, right?
You're on the right track. After creating the repository on GitHub, you need to connect your local repository to the remote one using the command git remote add origin
Okay.
repository URL. We're
Git
just about out of
remote
time for this session.
add.
Okay, just to reiterate, after creating the repository on GitHub, you'll need to connect your local repository to the remote one. The command for that is git remote add origin repository URL. Replace repository URL with the actual URL of your.
I did it. What's next?
Okay?
Okay.
Now that you've added the remote origin, the final step is to push your local commits to GitHub with git push u origin main. This will upload your code to the remote repository.
Okay. Git push. Then,
Okay, great. Now you can go to the GitHub repository you created and check if your files are there. Happy coding!
okay. Guess we just did it. I can see my folder here. Thank you, View.